This is Project Atlantic, an E.C.D custom Land Rover Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in full gloss cool khaki grey. Project Atlantic sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a classic front bumper, E.C.D custom steering guard, painted in Zermatt silver, G4 style gutter mounted roof rack, and 4 LED round spotlights. On the inside, Project Atlantic features a premium Evander wooden steering wheel with all-American gauges, Corbeau sport front and mid-row seats, and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical Diamond Garrett Bellissimo Ombre leather stitched together in shark grey. Atlantic is powered by our LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with Pioneer sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB connection.